got Lincoln here. He's going to help me out today. I think our Jeep has an idle problem. Let's check it out. Rough idling. About every 5 seconds. About every 5 seconds it goes back up. So we are going to clean the throttle body to clean the idle. Hey, Sarah's coming to help.
You are so ridiculous.
Sarah, you hear the engine? That right there, that little rev up. We're going to fix that by cleaning the throttle body. Right?
Nope. Oh my gosh, y'all are so cute. What is it?
Oh, O'Reilly! Auto parts. 6. There we go. Alright, Lincoln's gonna hand it over. I showed him where the screw is. He's looking at it. So this is the throttle body right here. First we need to take this screw out using a flathead screwdriver. And then we're going to pop this off and take a look at it. Lincoln, can you hand me the flathead screwdriver?
No, I'll do.
Oh, he wants to do it. Okay. All right, let's move this hand a little bit. There we go. Can you hold it like that? Got it? You hold it still? All right, Lincoln is my cameraman now. So I loosen this clamp. Doing a good job, man. Alright. Loosen the clamp. Now we get to take that part off. Hold it still, Lincoln. There you go. Get the money shot. Alright, so I loosened this bolt. Now we're popping this off, apparently. I loosen the clamp. Supposedly this is supposed to pop off, but it's not. I'll loosen it some more. Alright, I'm gonna try again. Videos just said to rip it off, and it's not coming off for me. Mine is stuck. I'm gonna use 2 hands. I'm like shaking my whole car trying to get this thing off. But I think it's starting to loosen. So just freak it. Just shake it hard. Circles. They make it look so easy. Oh, there we go. It's coming up, guys. There. Let's see what we got. Yeah, a little black there. Okay. Let's put this off to the side, or how do we do this? I don't want to pull that off. What is that? Oh, God. As I pulled that off, this is looking a little crusty. And there's like a layer of goo all over this stuff. Alright, let's see if this does anything. Just spray it. We're supposed to spray it and let it sit. So let that sit a little bit. It actually looks kind of clean. So maybe it's one of these sensors that's bad. I was expecting worse. Nothing wrong with a clean throttle body. And just open it, close it a little bit. Let the fluid get in there. And then wipe it off. Ew, carbon. I'll need to use 2 hands to get the edges. Sometimes the edges stick. Alright, I'm using my toothbrush to clean out some of the rest of this. Get it good. Then put it back in my medicine cabinet. Alright, whoa, shit, it's stuck. God damn it. I'm gonna have to get back with you guys. Alright, I put everything back. Let's see what just cleaning it did. Let's see what that did. Woo! Alright, I'm revving it a little bit here. Let's see what that does. Idling okay. Still doing a little bit of that. I'm gonna drive it around the neighborhood a little bit. Get all this gunk out and I'll come back. See if it's still doing it. Alright, it's driving okay, so I didn't break the car. True test comes at stop signs. So I'm pretending this is a stop sign. Let's see. Better. Doing better. Much better. Just clean the throttle body. You don't have to take it all out. Just clean the throttle body. It's not doing the... It used to make my car jump at stop signs. Like, every 5 seconds it'd rev and the car would inch forward. We are good. We're good. We did it. Throttle body. Just buy the spray at O'Reilly, $7. Then spray it and clean it with rags and a toothbrush. I even used some of Lincoln's butt wipes. So, yeah. Butt wipes and spray.